Whoops! Hi everyone, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. So today we're going to be making movie theater popcorn for all of your horror movie marathons this month in 3 delicious flavors. So let's get started. First thing we have to do is clarify our butter, and all that is just a fancy term for taking out the water from the butter so that it doesn't make our popcorn soggy. This process is extremely simple. All you're going to do is put 2 sticks of butter into our pot over medium-low heat. Once that melts, you're just going to lower the heat to about low and then let it simmer for about 10 minutes. In that 10 minutes, what you're looking for is for the color to get darker than it was before. We're not making brown butter here. We just want it to be slightly golden, and then as you can see here, it will be foamy on top at first, and then as you keep stirring, the foam will start to disperse. Last step, you're just going to strain this through a fine mesh sieve with a paper towel on top just to get out any solids that may have stayed in there, just to make sure everything is totally smooth. And there you go, you have your very own clarified butter. Next, we're just going to make some popcorn salt. Salt actually sticks to popcorn better when it's finer, so all we're going to do is just put this into a blender and whiz it up until our salt is pulverized.
Ooh.
Now that we have all of those components ready, we're just going to make our regular movie theater buttered popcorn first. So I'm just generously seasoning my popcorn and tossing it around. I put about 3.5 tablespoons of melted butter in here. You can do more or less depending on your taste. And then I did about a half a teaspoon of salt. Again, you can do more or less depending on your taste. This is really just about tasting and seasoning little by little until you get something that you like. Remember, you can always add more seasoning, but you can't take it away once it's in there. So just do little by little. Now we're going to make the garlic Parmesan flavor. So first, we're just going to dress up our popcorn the same way we did before. And then we're going to put in our freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And this is totally to your taste. I put about maybe 2 tablespoons in there. And about half the amount of garlic powder, because garlic powder is stronger than actual garlic, and you don't want actual garlic in there because you really don't want to bite down on the garlic. So I use garlic powder because it would stick to the popcorn better. Also, make sure your butter is hot when it goes into the popcorn so that it sticks and doesn't pool at the bottom and you end up with this. Whoops! Sorry about that. Let's make some Halloween candy caramel corn, shall we? So first, you're just going to add as much or as little caramel as you would like to your plain popcorn. This time it does not have the butter on there, just plain popcorn. And just remember that caramel is going to weigh down the popcorn a little bit, so don't add too much. I added maybe 1/8 of a cup, but as much or as little as you would like. Then I have some chopped up candy bars, some Twix, Snickers, 3 Musketeers, and Milky Way. Any variety or combination of candy bars you would like is fine. And I also added some caramel corn. And some M&Ms. And some salt to balance out that sweetness, and there we go. And here we have our 3 flavors of popcorn. We have our regular movie theater buttered popcorn. our Parmesan garlic, and our Halloween candy caramel corn. And any of these flavors is totally perfect for sitting on the couch and watching your favorite horror movie. Oh, and by the way, let me know down in the comments what that is. I am absolutely obsessed with horror movies and am always looking to find suggestions for others, so let me know. Mine would have to be The Ring. And as always, if you guys like this one, don't forget to leave me a like down below. And if you have any suggestions for anything you would like to see next, don't forget to leave me a comment and subscribe to make more mess with me. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Happy Halloween.